Okay, so first what you want to do is get a pan like this. You see steam because I already cooked it, but any pan works. And so I just dumped the whole thing out because I had no idea what that was. But very simple. All you gotta do, fill up a pan, normal pan, just like this. Any pan, anything. Fill it with water. I would say to the top because you gotta boil it for at least 10 minutes. And the reason why you want to boil it for such a long time, for like 10 minutes, if you get it from the tap water, from your sink, there's some particles in tap water that isn't filtered out. So you want to boil it. You can kill the bacteria and anything else that is in the water. So when you use it in your nose, it doesn't infect your nose or anything like that. That's why you always want to boil it for at least 10 to 15 minutes, something like that. And I will get back to you when my pot is done boiling. Oh! Okay, so after you do this, let your water cool down. It's a little hot. Next step you want to do is grab some salt. So I got my salt. Anyway, once you get your salt, you want to get a teaspoon, not a tablespoon, a teaspoon. It's the smallest one. This is a tablespoon. This is a teaspoon. You want the teaspoon, the small one. See that? Small. You just want 1 teaspoon up to here where my finger is. And you'll need a cup. I got my Hershey cup right here. I recommend using one of these just because the pan is hot and the water will need to cool down anyway. Oh! Oh! Okay, so now once your cup is full of the water that you made or boiled, let it sit. If you want to speed up the process, you can put it in your fridge, or if you want to take the saline solution right away, you want to do it now. Just put it in the fridge or in the freezer. So this is what you want to do. You want to get your salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. That's it. See, that's it. That's it. Just flat right there around and just pour it right into the cup. Once you pour it into the cup, just stir. You want to mix it in there. Hot. You just want to mix it right into the cup. If I was you, I'd make a note and put it on the cup that you put the water in. If you put it in the fridge, so if you have anybody else in the house, they don't go in and start drinking it, because you don't want someone to drink saline solution. So yeah, once you put the note right on the bottle, you're good to go. And then once it's cooled down by later on, all you gotta do is put the cup, pour the water into a neti pot. This is what it looks like. You just pour the water into the neti pot, then you'll do this and pour it like that. Breathe out your mouth so you don't inhale the water. It'll go through and you're good to go.